Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Shorts like, comment, share option not showing problem. Okay, let's start. Now follow me all steps. I hope solve your problem. Now first, open your Play Store and update your YouTube app. Now search YouTube. Your app is updated. Back on home screen. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search YouTube. Tap on YouTube. Tap on force stop. Then OK. Tap on storage. Now clear cache or clear data. Now open your YouTube app. Tap on shorts. Now I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.